So do you like this one right here? It's basically like 3 problems in one, A, B, C, except it's all one function. Find the derivative. So first of all, the derivative for natural log of x, that is 1 divided by whatever you find inside the parentheses. So in this case, 1 divided by 1 over x. For this one, there's 2 ways to do it. You could use this fact, which hopefully you remember. The derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. Or you could rewrite this as x to the negative 1, then take the derivative, which would be negative 1 times x to the negative 2, and then simplify, and you get the same thing. But if you want to skip this, each and every time you come across one of these, then remember derivative of 1 over x, negative 1 over x squared. Now this one isn't just an x, it's natural log of x, but the principle is the same. So it'd be negative 1 over natural log of x squared. Now we'd also need to do the chain rule, because so far I never took the derivative of the natural log of x itself. So the derivative of that would be 1 over x. Then what if it's the natural log of the natural log? So for this natural log right here, its derivative will be 1 divided by whatever's in the parentheses. So that would be 1 over the natural log of x. And then we need to do the chain rule. The derivative of the inside part is 1 over x. Now we just need to do a little bit of algebra to simplify this. So when you have 1 over a fraction, that means invert this fraction and multiply. When you invert it, it's going to become an x, and then x times 1 is just x. With this middle one, there's not much to do, although I would prefer to write the x first, and then the natural log of x is squared. And basically the same with this one, it's going to be 1 over, and I would put the x first, and then the natural log of x. Now that is a derivative.